Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add grid lines in your Microsoft Paint. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Okay, so we need to open first Microsoft Paint. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Now, once you're in your Microsoft Paint window, you will find the ribbon at the top, which is the File, Edit, and View tab. Click on the View tab, and here you'll find these options. You have here Zoom, Rollers, Grade Lines, Status Bar, Full Screen, and Thumbnails. So we need to add grade lines. So we just need to simply click on Grade Lines, and that's it. You can also adjust this by clicking on this or adjusting this small circles. And now that's it. You have just added a grade line into your Microsoft Paint. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.